Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bicycle hub motor. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is 2023 Promotion Bafang 36 volts 250 watts cassette. Specifications: motor type, brushless gear hub motor. Wattage, 201 to 300 W. Design, brushless. Voltage, 36 volts. Origin, mainland China. Certification, C. Bafang motor model, RMG 120.250.DC. Rated power, 250 watts. Installation widths, 135 mm. Brake, disc brake. The item number 4 is electric bike fat bike snow-ebike conversion kit. Specifications: brand name, ZEMAKE. Design, brushless. Wattage, 501 to 1000 W. Voltage, 48 volts. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, 36 volts 48 volts 350 watts 500 watts Bafang 8 Fun Swxh 02 gear hub motor. Specifications: brand name, Swxh. Type, other. Origin, mainland China. The item number 2 is Bafang 48V 1000W rear hub motor. Specifications: wattage, 400 W. Design, brushless. Voltage, 48 volts. Origin, mainland China. Certification, C. Bafang motor model, RMG 063.1000.D/DC. Rated power, 1000 watts. Installation widths, 175 mm. Brake, disc brake. Efficiency, 80%. On the top of our list at number 1 we have a bike motor kit high-speed brushless gear hub. Specifications: brand name, ZEMAKE. Design, brushless. Wattage, 401 to 500 W. Voltage, 48 volts. Origin, mainland China. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.